Hey everyone, in today's video I will be doing a clean with me vehicle this time around. So I'm going to go to my minivan and I need to seriously declutter, trash, and organize the van. We are taking a family trip in December and I just don't want to do it once it gets colder. So right now it's nice weather and I'm going to go ahead and do that. So if that's something you're interested in watching, let's get started.
So this is our 2017 Kia Sedona, and we got this about over a year ago, and ever since we have had it, we have not done an interior cleaning, and so it desperately needed. When we bought it, we had some junk from my old vehicle inside the trunk at the time because we had just moved into our house, so I had some items in there that I had to sort through. And when we went to purchase the van, we did it all in one day. So by the end of that evening, we had to give over my old vehicle. So everything, unfortunately, that was in my trunk in my old car and everything that accumulated in that vehicle, when we did the switch, unfortunately came over to the van and it just created more mess. I think we just got comfortable and never really paid attention to the junk that was in our back trunk, and so today was the day to tackle all this mess. I also have some items from when I used to have a booth at a vintage store, and I just kind of left the stuff in the back seat there, and it's just been a mess.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
So to start off, I grabbed one of those grocery bags and used it as a trash bag to gather everything in the van that belongs in the trash, and making sure that I separate trash from things that we want to keep.
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Gathering the trash from the front of the vehicle was super easy. It was this back part that was so time consuming. I spent a lot of time, so I'm so glad for editing that I could speed this up for you guys. I don't know about you guys, but when I tend to clean any area, I tend to come across like pictures or letters or albums, and just kind of like to sit and read, and so that takes me a long time because I kind of tend to look at pictures if there's any pictures, and in this case there was pictures, there was letters, there were important documents, bank statements, things like that I had to really thoroughly look through to make sure I wasn't throwing something important or something, you know, with sentimental value. So I went through a lot of the stuff here, so that took the longest.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah,
So around this time, my battery started beeping where it was showing low battery, and I don't have a backup battery, and I probably should, but I don't. So when this started happening, I started to get nervous, and so I kept looking at the camera just to make sure I wasn't doing something and then not have it be caught on camera. So if you see me keep looking at the camera, that's the reason why.
Ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you,
So as you can probably tell by the outfit that this is the next day. So once I put my camera to charge, I was ready to finish filming this video. So in a couple of my other cleaning videos, I've mentioned this vacuum that I got a couple years ago, and I just now realized while doing this video that you can actually detach certain parts to the vacuum so that you can use it in your car or to pick up dirt like from surfaces like in the couch and stuff like that. And I didn't know that before, so I've had this thing for years, and I just realized that you're able to do that.
Ain't nobody like you.
So I was having such a hard time getting into some parts while I was trying to vacuum, so I figured if the bottom part fell off, then something else could be like removable. And sure enough, I found out that the white little clasp at the top is actually to help pop out the stick that holds the vacuum. So I'm just using the vacuum to get rid of all the dirt and residue that's on the carpet here, and I do that for the trunk and the back seat and the front seats as well.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. If I'm
I needed a fabric car seat cleaner, and I didn't want to pay an arm and a leg for a brand name product, so I went to Dollar Tree and I decided to test this out. So this is what my stains in the back seat look like, and I don't know what the stains are from really. It could be various of things. So I decided that $1 wouldn't really hurt in case it just didn't work. I hate spending a lot for brand things and then, have them not work. So I tested it out and I was very surprised at how well this product performed, and I just paid $1. So it was crazy how much this thing worked. Let me know in the comment section if you have actually used this in your car, in your couch, on your carpet. Just let me know. I'd be interested to see if it worked for you. I followed the instructions that were on the back of the product, and I sprayed a little bit, waited a couple seconds, and what it does, it allows the dirt to rise to the surface, and then you scrub it with a towel, and then with another towel you use that to blot the area that you scrub, so that way you dry it but also catch the dirt that comes up. So here you see where I've sprayed and the dirt came up to the surface, and a lot of dirt came up. So I scrubbed it, but because it was a whole lot of dirt, I was just basically smearing that to all of the seats. So I had to spray it again and use a different towel to help dry it, but also help remove the dirt.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing break me, no, nothing.
Here's my little Ezra bear. He wanted to clean the outside of the van, and I think it's so cute how he tries to, in his own way, help. Also, if you're liking this video so far, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let's continue cleaning this car. So here I just wanted to show you real quickly just how dirty this area was. It's the back seat, and it's like a little indentation. I'm not really sure what its purpose is at the moment, but it's there and it needed to be cleaned. So as soon as I sprayed it, you can see where the dirt started coming up, and I used a clean and dry towel to scrub that, and you can immediately see just how much of a difference it made. Like, it looks clean and just bright, so it looks pretty good. I really liked it, and it was so satisfying to use and clean with.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
So I noticed that the carpet had some stains, so I went ahead and just did the same process to clean this area as I did the car seats.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Some soap and water in the spray bottle. I used that to clean the cup holders that face the back seat. They were pretty gross, I'm not gonna lie. However, to my defense, we know it wasn't us. It was probably there before. Our van was a rental before, so there's no telling what went on in this van. but all we ever have in this cup holder in particular is a bottle of Germ-X, because I like to have hand sanitizer in our cars so that way we can clean our hands from wherever we've been. It was pretty gross, I'm not gonna lie. Some of the stuff that was stuck to this rubbery part that goes inside the cup holders had like something that looked like scrambled old eggs stuck on it. It was so gross. Using that same spray bottle with water and some soap, I'm using that to wipe down the doors, the radio area, and just everything where the dashboard is.
Drive with you, looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I could listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.
Here I'm bringing in a Dollar Tree trash bin, and I just added a grocery bag there to catch everything. And this is the final look for the front seat after being cleaned.
I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
So what do you guys think? It was so satisfying to have my van clean, especially the fabric seats. I am so glad that I went ahead and tackled that, and I feel that now we're ready to take our trip to Texas in December, and I cannot wait. I might have to do one more like vacuum cleaning, like wiping down the dashboard again, but at least it's not a whole project where I'm trying to declutter the van. I did not want to have to take extra stuff in the trunk if I didn't have to. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a video. And I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye bye.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look I wanna drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest.